Hello, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show this Capri precision torque screwdriver. I just got this today. Does 10 to 50 inch-pounds. Okay. Now what's really nice about this is like 120, 130 bucks. It's got some gravity to it. It's like maybe an anodized aluminum. The numbers and letters are actually engraved in. It's got a nice collet along with the 1/4 inch drive on the backside. Comes with this so you can put it on there. Really, I'd just use a ratchet, but anyway, you adjust it 1 inch-pound at a time. Very neat. I was looking for something to use when mounting optics and gun stuff, so just thought I'd share. I think this was 129 or 130 bucks, something like that. Very nice. Glad I picked it up. How even the case is nice. And how about that? Double locking. I tell you what, this Capri stuff, it really seems nice. Anyway, guys, catch y'all later.